It's June 2025, and you are still copying and pasting code between a ChatGPT window and your PyCharm. Stop.
Can we swear?
If you don't have solid engineering skills, you are not doing vibe coding. You're doing YOLO coding.
Yes.
Engineers have tried or used some software like 1 year ago, and they still have this idea about coding with AI and the agents that is not like the current state.
The vibe coding term means you're no longer the one who is leading when programming together with AI. Feel the vibe. Yeah. The state-of-the-art part is doing okay right now, but the models that are still privately hosted are not that great when doing stuff, especially the new wave using so much tooling.
It's much quicker to start working with a repository I don't know, and it's really easy for me to understand it.
It feels like drinking rocket fuel in engineering.
The AIs tend to produce terrible code or unmaintainable code if you don't know what you're doing.
I like to talk to a second developer about what I do, and this gives me like an instant feedback, an instant like a rubber duck on steroids.
Yeah.
So essentially, talking more to AI gives you more opportunity to talk to people. And we were just sitting at one computer and doing it. Now it's the same thing, but not in Figma, but directly in code. For me, vibe coding is the idea being directly put into code straight from my head without me typing a lot of code.
You just sit and build, and it's very easy to get into this flow of building, fixing, diagnosing.
You can break things really fast, and the feedback loop is like really short.
You can boost your productivity by an order of magnitude, but you need to have solid engineering principles in your DNA when you do that. I think that engineering is not art, it's science, it's method. Yeah. There are certain things that you need to do. Don't repeat yourself, keep it simple, like proper architectural decisions.
It's not about prompt engineering, it's about planning, structuring, doing the same stuff when you do normally.
Are juniors doomed?
When you're building a new company, get 3 juniors for the price of 1 senior, give them Cursor, let them fuck up, let them learn very quickly.
Okay.
The AI tends to sometimes write code in an old-fashioned way or use old stuff. So understanding that this is not the state-of-the-art right now from the tooling it should be using is very important.
If you need to make decision, maybe you will go towards that architecture, just knowing that you want to embrace AI in your system.
You can talk with it about different stuff. You can ask it to explain code to you that is written.
Agents can be extremely good at leveraging feedback loops. So if I am able to build a feedback loop that an agent can use, such as a linter or test suite, then the performance will just increase significantly. This is actually not my peer. This is not my partner. It is maybe a very eager and hard-working intern, but I need to monitor and control most of the stuff. I don't anthropomorphize. It's a tool that I use.
And the only thing left to do is press enter and grab a coffee and come back. This for me.
So this is your life now, Michał.
For me, it's interesting to watch how LLMs develop in the large context is getting better. So it's very tempting to push a lot of stuff into the context. But it's really interesting because it's like a superhuman. So it takes like a few seconds, merge one thing after another, and maybe this will grow into something that is not possible to reconstruct as a human, this workflow. Yeah.
And your request with something like, if you want to clarify, ask me questions.
Sometimes I want the AI to fuck up, right? And it's not only a matter of coding fuck up. It's a matter of implementing the feature that is not needed.
Cloud Code has this annoying behavior that it adds coded by Cloud Code and Anthropic email into your commit messages.
What is missing for me in the AI ideas is like the collaboration part. They are not really designed to work together.
I generally don't mind letting Claude use my terminal. There are so many tools that it can leverage that being on Linux actually helps.
Gemini just hates to write code. I don't know how to make Gemini write code. Multiple cursor rules on different levels of the project also.
Yeah, it's not something that I feel is a problem these days at all. Michał, do you miss manual coding?
The Elixir language is changing because of AI.
You have some inside information. You sound so sure.
Prompt engineering will be a thing of the past in a matter of 12 to 24 months.